How to lock WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can lock your WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your desktop or PC, and once you reach to this interface, here at the left sidebar below you will see three options. Click on that three horizontal lines at the very end. By clicking on it, some options will pop up. Within it, you will find Log option, which is located just below Migrate and Backup option. Click on that Log option, and there you go. You have successfully locked your WeChat on PC. Now, if you want to unlock, you will have to open your WeChat application on your mobile device. Click on this Unlock on Phone on your desktop, and on your mobile device, this window will appear. Here, click on that Unlock option below, and there you have it. So in this way, you can lock or unlock your WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.